Houkhiba matam kaya ereibak ephurup asibu kannaba leptana hotnaduna lakli hotsu hotnakigani haina Manipur ki Chief Minister N.Biren na phongdokre wafam asi ngasi Department of Art and Culture na sinduna langthawal chingthakta leiba maitai Ningthaugi konung oiramba amadi matam sangna mafam aduda Assam Rifles laisinduna micham miyam nimtamna changba ngablamdaba adu lengakna hotnabadagi All Palace tagi Assam Rifles sing atopa mafam amada hongdokhiba amadi mafam adubu miyamda khusinabagi thauramga mari lenana phongdokhibani thauram aduda Power Minister Thongam Biswarjit, Youth Affairs and Sport Minister Govindas Konthokjam, Education Minister Thongnaujam Basanta Kumar, Family Welfare Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Fishery and Skill Minister Haikam Dingo, PHED Minister Laishangkem Susindro, Transport Minister Kasim Basum, Water Resource Minister Awongbam Nimai, Moirang ACG MLA Thongam Sante, Wangkai ACG MLA Thangjam Arun Kumar, Patsoy ACG MLA Sapam Keba, Wabaga ACG MLA Usam Devian, Lamlai ACG MLA Kumbantabam Ibomcha, Langtawal ACG MLA Karam Siam Yauna Tongan Civil Department ki Bakok Thongba Official Kaya Susarukya Ke, CM na Makhata Raduna Hai Matam Kuinadagi, Manipur gi Miyam na Langtawal Chingthakta Leiba Maitai Ningthaugi Konung Oiramba Bafam Asi, Miyam na Ningtam na Changba Fanghanbiu Hai na Laingakta Taksin Taknaduna Lakpa Adu, Ngasidi Mafam Aduda Lairamba Assam Rifles sing Atopa Mafam Amada Thamduna, Aikhoiga Tatna Thana Yaroidaba mafam asi miyamda sinaba ngamba asimak haninga letena nungaiba fawi nakal amaromda hantak ikhang khangotana 57 Mountain Division da thabak suba chatkiba mioi ama mangkhibagi nungaitabadi adumuk faunari adubu ngasigi thauram asi su tangai fadana tawdaba yadaba amani University asida Army sing laisinbana academic atmosphere da akaiba piba maramna hongdokpani loinana gambir singagi konung oiramba mafam asi aikhogi historical oiba mafam ama oibana hana lairamba asi semgat sagatnaba lupa crore kun sanction tawduna laire mafam asi ningthina semgat sagatnaba hotnabada University asigi akhang ahai oja singna su mafam asigi matangda advice pibiu amadi Kanchipurda lairiba Manipur University campus manungda thamliba gambir singa mitam asigi mafamda anauba makhalgi museum ama athuba matamda saba hauragani haina su makhata ke
8,620 square mile young population lakh mangal missing kai punna merge over dumba boundary se boil immediate create over to aikoi gi sagi boundary ke young merge over dumba yana khum factly facts lo ke khana bata Indian sinda Malay India doesn't know many things many people doesn't know where is Manipur the real historical background ado apne khan bataya we have to publish book history, geographical factors, community-wise, everything. Today, Basanta Siyawi, Manipur general knowledge to forward. Jati kya nahi, loan kya nahi, hana 19 duka koi MLA kya nahi, hujila kya nahi, merger agreement kamai tauki, 19 born parties se kamai thanami no, abadagi Union territory wana koi sahi kya thanami, why Indian government did not grant us a statehood timely. Sigi factor mayam sigi de si sa ibu umnari mayams. Adu dia koi nari thakina phongko ba si birol. Thangan ba. Nara koi India ge handak anu phongko ek ahum do. Committee le gaw phongko na si.